Hi, first grade friends. Today we are working with long A and short A. We're going to use a red crayon and a blue crayon. With our red crayon, we are going to find and color short A words. With our blue crayon, we are going to color long A words. Looking at our word box, the first word I see is map. Map. I will color map red because the vowel sound is saying ah. It has a short vowel sound. Our next word, I can see our pattern. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. That silent E makes A say A. K, A, N, crane. Our next word is a closed syllable word. There's no E on the end, so I know the vowel will be making a short vowel sound. The word is fan. F-A-N, fan. And that A is saying alligator. Short vowel sound. Looking at our next word, I already see our pattern. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. So I know that I have long vowel, silent E. That silent E makes A say A. So we're going to color it blue because A is the long vowel sound. Our next word, again, I see the pattern. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. Long vowel, silent E. Our next word, I do not see our pattern. I only see one vowel and one consonant. There is no silent E at the end. So I know the vowel sound is going to be short. So I'm going to color it red. The word is ham. Ham. Next line down, the word is Pam. Pam. A is making the short vowel sound ah. We're going to color it red. A is saying ah. There is no E on the end. Our next word, I see our pattern. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. Long vowel, silent E. That silent E makes A say A. It's a long vowel sound. Our next word is bat. B-A-T. Bat. A is making the A short vowel sound, A. So we are going to color it red. Our next word is haze. A-Z, haze. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. The vowel sound is long. We're going to color it blue because the vowel sound is long. Our next word is race. R-A-S, race. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. That silent E makes A say A. We then have trap. T-R-A-P, trap. A is saying ah, so it's a short vowel sound with the swoop. We're going to color it red. Okay, my friends, with a pencil, we're now going to sort our words into the correct column. Our first word is map. Map. I'm going to write it in the short A words column because A is saying ah. Swoop for short. I'm going to cross it off when I'm done. We then have crane. K-R-A-N, crane. I'm going to put that word crane in the long A word column. K-R-A-N, silent E at the end. I like to use our gesture, long vowel, silent E, to remind me that the vowel sound will be long. I like to cross it off when I'm done to stay organized. Our next word is fan. F-A-N, fan. Put it in the short A column. F-A-N, fan. A says alligator. All right, boys and girls, you're on your own for the rest. Continue sorting them into the correct column. Way to go. All right, my friends, we are going to make a word using the letters and the pictures. The pictures give us a clue of what the word will be. In the picture, you can see the girl. She is about to wave. W-A-V. So with your yellow crayon, I'd like you to color the boxes that spell wave. W-A-V. With that silent E at the end. Wave. Then with a pencil, in your best handwriting, you are going to write wave. W-A-V. Silent E at the end. Long vowel, silent E. Our next picture is a picture of a rake. Please finger stretch rake. R-A-K. Rake. R-A-K. With a silent E at the end. And I like to put a long line over my A to remind me it's a long vowel sound. Please write rake. R-A-K. Silent E. Draw my gesture, long vowel, silent E. Our next word is a picture of tape. Please finger stretch tape. T-A-P. Tape. T-A-P. With a silent E at the end. Please write tape in your best handwriting. T-A-P. Tape. Silent E. That silent E makes the vowel say its name. Long vowel, silent E. Our next picture is of a cave. K-A-V. Cave. K-A-V. Silent E at the end. Please write cave in your best handwriting. K-A-V. Cave. Long vowel, silent E. Our last one is a picture of a maze. M-A-Z. With a silent E at the end. In your best handwriting, please write maze. M-A-Z. Maze. Long vowel, silent E. All right, you did great, my friends. Way to go.